Hello students and namaste parents. Welcome to our channel of Ambition Vedic Coaching Institute. Today is our day of English grammar topic. See students, that day we have completed sentence transformation. Today we are looking towards at another important topic of grammar, that is correct forms of verb. This topic also contains 4 marks. This topic is in option with sentence transformation, gap filling. In sentence transformation we have direct indirect speech, that is reported speech, narration. But with this topic there are the topics like determiners, clauses, connectors, conjunctions, prepositions, tenses, like this. We have to take one by one all the topics, how we have to solve, how we can calculate our all the answers, not to lose 4 marks. We shall see one by one. See students, this is first passage for you. How you have to solve? 4 options are given. There are 8 fill in the blanks. 8 fill in the blanks means you can understand every fill in the blanks carries half marks. If 4 fill in the blanks, a single mark. But 8 fill in the blanks, half marks, and you have to select the correct answer from the given 4 options. See how we can solve. Here are 4 options, 4 options, 4 options, like this. I am reading passage first. Every year many people want dash visit Goa but fail dash do so to various reasons. I also wanted dash there but failed. At last I decided dash go come what may. It worked and I was amazed dash in Goa. I got extreme delight in dash on its beaches, which are a walker's delight. The sea doesn't fail to give a strange joy at its expanse. The palm trees don't fail dash glory to the scene, which is worth dash to the core of the heart. Now students, we shall try to solve. How? Because there 8 options are given. We have to choose correct option from each and every one. How we can solve? See, the first one. Every year many people want the first form of the verb, that's why to is used. To visit Goa but fail. Again I think there is 2. See 2, this 2, this 2. To do so due to various reasons. I also wanted for being, to being, to be, being, I think to be. I also wanted to be there, and मुझे भी लगता था कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँ, but failed. At last I decided again to. See, simple options are given. I decided to go, come what may. It worked and I was amazed. Again, to be, to being, at being, to be in Goa. To be in Goa. I got extreme delight in to walk, walking, to be walking, to have walk, in walking. I got extreme delight in walking on its beaches, which are a walker's delight. The sea doesn't fail to give a strange joy at its expanse. The palm trees don't fail. 6th option, to add. Don't fail to add. It adds beauty. To add glory to the scene, which is worth. To enjoy, enjoying, to be enjoying, for enjoying, which is worth enjoying. To be to the core of the heart. See, now I am reading with options, with answers. See how will be the passage. Every year many people want to visit Goa but fail to do so due to various reasons. I also wanted to be there but failed. At last I decided to go, come what may. It worked and I was amazed to be in Goa. I got extreme delight in walking on its beaches, which are a walker's delight. The sea doesn't fail to give a strange joy at its expanse. The palm trees don't fail to add glory to the scene, which is worth enjoying to the core of the heart. 365 days a year we can visit Goa. That's why beauty of the Goa, moving about the seashore of the Goa, beaches of the Goa, all things are explained here. So visit Goa once, then you will find what a delight we got. This is the first one. 8 options are given. Half marks carries. 4 marks are distributed like this. Means every fill in the blanks contain half marks. Try to solve yourself. This is for you. I have given you. Coming towards the next.